Once again, MMTs, we're just taking the time to show the Dow on the 30-minute price action volume print. We are down heavily in the S&P 100. That S&P is below the 13 handle. What I will be doing forward in the next segment with on privately with MMTs is to go to the yearly formula and the index formulas so that they can clearly see the roadmap again as to what bear 2 reversal in Q1 reversal, starting Q2 trade, this new second quarterly trade management is that the price opening capitulation in the first 30 minutes is a major bear reversal in play. It's the very beginning stages. However, the second time that this does happen, it will increase and get more volatility in the market. And what is that volatility going to be? It's going to be where margin debt selling will be addressed with broker dealers and exchanges. That means that the bear and the bull count was way out of whack and very little bears. Another thing it means in the SMF volume analysis brain is that it tells us when most of the people are getting in the markets. Every market will have both a bear raid and a bull raid to the actual count of the trend as far as the public goes. However, the fear and the complacency with investors and U.S. investors around the world are at extreme levels that warrant this kind of capitulation selling. And how do you know how that is? Electronic stock market orders are taken out on the opening. Margin debt selling will be met on the opening. Very little short interest in the indexes because during the last bull rally from the February 2007 bear reversal to our bull count rally is that people jumped right back into the market, had very little concern about that they're buying equities on margin. And how do you know when these margin calls are starting to get met is always on the opening bell. This is what I'm talking about right here. Also MMTs, the overmount of overstocks, overbought, Netflix, we're going to go through lots of names, Priceline, Netflix, CMG. There's lots of great stocks that are out here that have performed well. The Amazons, all of them must come down. The bear that I pointed out in pre-market was a trade off of the opening bell called the SQQQ. That's where the money prints. This is the very beginning of this secondary bear reversal count to the original bear reversal in the indexes. That happened right around, it's on the homepage of Stock Market Funny, February 18th. This is number 2 now. That's the